I'm over here cracking up, Divine Collective, because Spirit just said, heads up, someone around you is wasting your time. Time is money. Whose ancestors are these? What? Just straightforward, okay? Someone around you is wasting your time, and baby, time is money. All right. Divine Collective, I'm picking up on someone who is currently embarrassed that they ran from the connection. I'm getting public humiliation and shame, okay? This person is currently being taught by their guides, okay? You feel this person is making you feel, trying to make you feel less than, Divine Collective. Someone possibly trying to compare you to people. What? An ex, possibly? There's a friendship here that this ex can't let go of. What does this have to do with you? Maybe this is how they are when you come around and you don't like this, Divine Collective. Like, very touchy, very flirty, this ex. This is why you and them cannot be friends, because they don't respect your boundaries, Divine Collective. Yeah, this is someone who tries to make you feel less than by comparing you to others. However, you are the Divine Feminine. Who are they comparing you to? Yeah, Spirit says they don't want to throw this away. They just don't, okay? I do feel like this person wants to come in and move at a slow and steady pace. For so many of you, there's this new version of you emerging, Divine Collective. I'm getting a new version of you emerging in this next stage of your journey, okay? I'm still getting setup energy. Man, I hate when that happens, when I'm getting a good reading and then bam. Spirit lays out the storyline and then bam, hits you with the plot twist. Setup energy. Whatever this is, it keeps backfiring. These are people from your past that keep trying to set you up, Divine Collective. They're only setting themselves up. That's what's so frustrating. Spirit says you're someone that has the ability to put demons on a leash, okay? These people from your past, they did everything to block your destiny, Divine Collective. Everything backfired. These are fallen angels. They blaspheme. That's what I'm hearing. You dealt with a bunch of fallen angels, Divine Collective. I'm speaking to someone who you may feel overwhelmed. Spirit says that you're someone who goes cold when you have so much to take care of. When you feel overwhelmed, you may go a little bit cold here, Divine Collective. Okay, here we go. Someone is depending on you to go into your heartstrings, Divine Collective, so that you'll let them in. Defend your beliefs, I'm hearing. Just be cautious with whomever this is. They may be healing, Divine Collective, but that has nothing to do with you, okay? That has nothing to do with what it is that you're doing in the current moment, or what it is that you need to be doing in the current moment, okay? I am picking up on setup energy, but everything that these people from your past keep doing, these fallen angels, keeps backfiring, okay? Defend your beliefs. Someone may be challenging your beliefs here. I do see you expanding here energetically. Major expansion. You are blessed. You are protected, Divine Collective. The government is of significance. I'm getting the name Deborah, Fabian, Angel, Patricia, Aaron, Jacqueline, Robert, Sanchez, Thomas, Tori, Dawn, Samuel, Tim, Madden, Melissa, Moore, Conway, McNamara, Jesus. These fallen angels try to sacrifice you to the devil, Divine Collective. You make these fallen angels feel invisible. I often say that, Divine Collective, in my stories about gang stalkers. I've gotten to this point on my journey where I'm just so unbothered. I'm in my own world. I'm really on a different timeline. So I'm not even ignoring them that I know of, right? Because I'm so far gone in my own world that I don't even realize they're gang stalking me, Divine Collective. I may look up every once in a while and catch someone just like staring into my soul, and I'll notice everyone around me like looking at that person like, why isn't she questioning what they're doing? Why isn't she getting triggered? And then I'll put my head back down and just keep doing what I'm doing. But I've gotten to this point where You know, you're just on a different timeline. These fallen angels, they really are invisible, Divine Collective. At least that's, in my opinion, how I feel and how I see things. Spirit says they made a decision by what they already did to you, they feel. Okay? Someone is trying to spin a story here. They're very inconsistent. This is a hypocrite. I heard spinning the story. Coffee date. Movie night. Concert is of significance. A birthday. Your birthday. Father's Day. Memorial Day. I'm getting. So, in this specific situation, I feel like the ancestors forced you to move away from this person. So if something happened in your relationship where it turned out that you took all the blame for something, or you carried all the weight for the relationship, Divine Collective, know that your ancestors forced you to move away from this person by making them abandon you, okay? That's what I'm picking up on, okay? By making them abandon you. And now they feel trapped in a connection. A lot of these karmic energies are trying to break free, they're awakening. However, the person that they're with, the other karmic, is not awakening. So a lot of these energies, these karmic energies that are awakening, are trying to break free of the connections that they are currently in because they feel trapped. Actively doing things, staying busy, Spirit says, is not going to help you to awaken by just staying busy, okay? A lot of people will do that. I tend to do that, Divine Collective, where if I don't want to think about something, I don't want to feel, I'll just stay busy. I'll jump into my work. I'll do something to keep my mind off of it. But what you need to know is you're not progressing when you run, Divine Collective. I often say that you have to, people will be like, well, how do you get through it? They just answered their own question, Divine Collective. You go through it. You don't sit down. You don't say, I'll do it tomorrow. You don't procrastinate. How do you get through it is you go through it. Okay? Money was the motivation here, 9:23 on the clock. Money versus life, I heard. Something's not adding up. Anything you do, Divine Collective, will turn to gold. Something with money, involving money, a big betrayal. Someone wants to offer you an apology here and ask for your forgiveness because they're under judgment, Divine Collective. You are going towards something new here, Spirit says. Someone is in debt to a demon.